Leg overs are really good for hip mobility. And for this one, we're going to be in a seated position, laying down on a mat, and it's only body weight, but we do need something else here. We need something that our leg goes over. That could be a dumbbell up on its end. You can use a yoga block. You can use a jar of homemade pickles. I make really good pickles for my garden. A Thundercats thermos from the 80s, where my Gen Xers at. But for today, I'm going to use my helpful assistant, Opus. And he's going to sit right there staring at me. Get rid of this other stuff. So with Opus in place, I'm going to face him, and I'm going to have it so he's right between my heels. I'm going to try to sit up as straight as possible. And for this one, you're going to want to basically lean back on your arms because we're going to be doing a lot of hip movement here. And you can do this with your arms up. It's just going to be a lot of work. So start off with your hands back here, so you're nice and stable. You have a nice stable base. And what do I always say about good posture? Even in this position, chest is up, shoulders are back, chin is tucked, even though we're working the hips. So I'm going to focus on my right leg first. My body's going to stay nice and still. My leg's going to stay as straight as a board. And I'm going to raise it up, over Opus, and right back down. Up, and right back down. Nice, slow pace. Just thinking about that leg lifting. I'm going to switch to the other leg, left leg, so you can see from this angle. Straight leg, good tall posture. Lift that heel up and over whatever object you have in front of you. Up and over. Opus staring at me. It's getting kind of creepy. Got like a staring contest going on here.